Hello students, in this class of ours we are going to find out yet another method of inserting rational numbers between given rational numbers. And this time the method is when you do not have the denominators is equal. Say you have here 2 by 3 and there you have 3 by 4. Here the denominators are not equal. Then what to do? See, the simple thing that you can do is first try to make these denominators equal. So by that you can say take the LCM of 3 and 4 and ensure that this is made 12 and that is made of 12. This denominator to be made as 12, that also is to be made of 12, and afterwards we will see. So to make 2 by 3 as 12 you can write 4 by 4, and to make 3 by 4 as 12 you can write 3 into 3. This becomes 8 by 12 and that becomes 9 by 12. So if I write here 8 by 12 and here 9 by 12, if you cancel out 4 2s are 4 3s are, this is 2 by 3 still and that is 3 by 4 still. We have not changed the values, we have only ensured that the number, the denominators there in 2 by 3 and 3 by 4, the denominators are made equal as 12 and 12, and now you see 8 and 9 as numerators. So here after the procedure is same as was in the previous class, that is looking at the numerator. See, look at the numerators and see, suppose you want to accommodate 10 numbers between this, let me say 2 by 3, 3 by 4, or it is exactly same as 8 by 12 or 9 by 12, you want to insert 10. So our requirement was that find out a number, let us say we want to accommodate 9. We want to accommodate 9, then we should multiply 8 and 9 by a number, so that when we get new numerators, their difference must be minimum 10. Minimum 10, I said, if you want to accommodate 9 numbers. If we want to accommodate 9 numbers between these two given rational numbers, then we should find a number which when multiplies 8 and 9 both, the new numerators obtained in this way, when are subtracted, the difference minimum must be 10 if we want to accommodate 9. And let us say, let me multiply this by 10 and this also 10 by 10, so it becomes 80 by 120 and this becomes 90 by 120. Now let us see, I said we want to accommodate 90 and 80, the difference is 10, so we will be able to accommodate 90. In another, what we can do is, here taking 10 as denominator, we have ensured that the space or length between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 has been divided into 10 equal parts. And for dividing that space between 10 equal parts, we need to put 9 points between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4, that we can see here. 1, 9 on point, it is 1, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 equal parts. This space between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 has been divided by putting 9 dots or lines, and every line or dot on this length corresponds to a number. So those numbers we can write now, and that we can start from. See, this is 80 by 120. Undoubtedly 81 by 120, 82 by 120, 83 by 120, 84 by 120, 85 by 120, 86 by 120, 87 by 120, 88 by 120 and 89 by 120, and that of course is 90 by 120. So this was the procedure of inserting rational numbers between two given rational numbers whose denominators were not same or equal. Denominators were not equal, so we first made them equal by taking the LCM of 3 and 12, so it was ensured that this is written as 8 by 12, that is as 9 by 12. Thereafter we will see the requirement, how many numbers we want to accommodate. Suppose you want to accommodate n numbers, then ensure or choose a number such with which when you multiply 8 and 9 and the new numerators that you obtain, when you subtract them, the difference must be n plus 1. Difference if is n plus 1, then you will be able to accommodate n numbers between this given space between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. This is not only sufficient, this is more than sufficient to fetch you all the marks this particular topic will be allocated in the exam. That is my word to you. Notice half mark question can come out of this. And next we will see in the next class.